Hey there, fellow WooCommerce wizards. Are you tired of seeing the dreaded sold out message tank your sales and send customers scurrying to your competitors? Do you feel like you're missing out on potential revenue just because you don't have a crystal ball to predict demand? Well, guess what? We're here to introduce you to the Waitlist for WooCommerce plugin. It's your secret weapon against the out-of-stock blues. Think of it as a digital velvet rope, letting your customers patiently and electronically wait for the items they crave. Hi, my name is Kevin, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. This isn't just a simple notify me button. We're talking serious functionality. We're talking automated back-in-stock notifications that practically print money. We're talking easy-to-manage customer lists. We're talking about finally knowing exactly what your customers want and getting it to them. This plugin turns those sold-out frustrations into eager anticipation. Instead of leaving your store, customers sign up for a wait list, showing you exactly what's in demand and giving you a direct line to get them back when it's available. No more guessing about inventory. In this course, we'll break down everything you need to know to become a waitlist master. We'll go from installation and configuration to customizing those emails, managing your lists, and even mastering those advanced privacy settings. We'll cover setting up the plugin, enabling opt-in options, setting up automation email notifications, and learn how to protect user privacy to make the process simpler. By the end of this course, you'll be a waitlist ninja, converting sold-out moments into sales, building customer loyalty, and turning potential losses into profits. How cool is that? So, are you ready to turn those wait lists into winning lists? Let's get started.